Hey folks, it's Teresa. Well, I was just starting to film, but somehow or another my camera just died. So, and then I'm just heading on down to the spot that I normally go to. I'm just coming down to this part of the cemetery.
People.
Yeah, I know, I see people. That's my wind chimes, and you can see. Hello. They start as soon as I come. They really do. Well, you know, I need help from you guys. You know, my struggles with... Oh, it's a Betty Boo. Look at that. Hi. That's a Betty Booth bottle. That is so cute. Well, you know I can...
My name is John.
Hi, John. How are you today, John? You can see. It looks like literally somebody pulling that string. Thank you for that. Thank you for your acknowledgement. Do I help you guys when I come here? Don't you get really like happy to see me? Are you guys happy to see me? Do you like when I come here? I'm sure I'm not blocking anybody. Yeah. Get out of
Phil.
there. Hi, Phil. All right. I'll talk to you later, Betty Boop. That is so cool. I love that. I guess that's why this is like my favorite resting place by my house. Even though I've been here so many times and filmed so much. Wow. Look at this. It's like the spirits. Wow. Look at all the pinwheels going. Look at this one.
Mabel.
Hi, Mabel. I know there is rain coming in. I know that. How you folks doing today? Wow, that's kind of crazy. Look at that. Huh. Let me drive down there and see. Huh. Rained on. Go this way, maybe. Oh, God. Wow. It's like literally the wind is following me. Wow. Huh. Look at this. Holy shit. Huh. Look at that. Wow. That is crazy. I know, it looks like... Huh. Like I'm raising the dead. Like literally raising the spirits with them acknowledging me with the rain and the wind. Because it was fine before. I just did. Wow.
You should dig here.
What am I going to dig? I don't want to dig. Wow. I wonder if I should. Spirits. Wow. Did you guys just make that this wind and this rain come. Oh, goodness. Oh, wow. That's something. You can't make this shit up. I'm telling you. Like, the spirits. The spirits do acknowledge people. You know, I mean, even though I know I saw that it was going to start raining. What are you doing? You just had a snack and a cookie, Edwards. Hey, folks. Oh, here's a new one. There's a new resident here. I wonder if that's prepping.
I see the lights.
You do? Okay. Yeah, I see them too. So do we have a new spirit here? You know, my name is Teresa, and I come to visit. Wow. That's crazy.
Hung, drawn and quartered.
What? Hung, drug, and cornered. What does that mean? What does that mean? Was somebody hung? Oh my God. This is from Mendenhall.
You see me?
Yes. Is that you? What's your name? Mendenhall. Oh wow. You were a young man. I am so sorry. I feel you met a tragic death. And now look, the sun's coming out. Wow. That was powerful. That was very, very powerful. Are you the one that hung, drawn, and cornered? Ooh, I got an uneasy feeling. Well, I hope you're resting easy, young man. In the name of Jesus, may He place His hand on your head for comfort and enlightenment.
We live on.
I know you do. I know you do. And that's the beauty of it, is that your spirit does live on. I mean, even though your face right there was your physical body, your spirit remains. But you remain. I don't know why that just verse of that song just came through my head. And you remain. I see another thing hanging up in the tree. Well, it was very nice talking to you, young man. I'll be around. If you want, you can follow me for the journey. But you know you can't follow me home. Look at that. Can that bell ring? That's a bell. Can that bell move?
The woman scares me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Why did she scare you? Huh. It was so weird. I was telling that bell to ring, and that one flower was going back and forth. Oh, there's a picture on there, West. See how the flowers are kind of moving? That one flower right there in the middle. Huh. Wow. That is so awesome. And this is the music tree. I think this is the one. You literally walk over there and it's playing music, but you don't see crap of where that music's coming from. Seriously.
What's that device?
Oh, it is a camera with a video recording option in it. And then this right here, you can speak to me through it. And I video record our conversation, so we let the rest of my followers, if there's anybody following today or gonna follow, or anybody that watches, they get to hear your voice and your story. Oh wow. Seen that before. Maybe I just know there's a car over there. I'm keeping this down. Huh.
Edwin.
Hi, Edwin. And then this is the party spot. As you can see, that's the party spot. Let's see if I can get any windmill. They got any pinwheels over here. You make them pinwheels go? ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Muy bien. Muy bien. Look, they're trying. ¿Cómo está? I play music, but YouTube will strike me. Bitty bitty bum bum. Bitty bitty bum bum. Cada vez que revuelso. I don't know if that's the right song, but I mean the right word. Na 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 na. Hola. You make that pinwheel go again? Come on, I know you can use your energy.
Abandoned.
Aw, I'm sorry. I like how they got your resting spot with those stones. That's very pretty. Do you have a story? My name is Teresa. ¿Cómo se llama? I know my friend was like, maybe some people can't talk through it because it's not in the Spanish language. You can put it in Spanish. Hola, hola. Como la flor. Look at that! Oh my god! Oh my god! My joy. That's so nice. Thank you for that. All right, let me go this way. Ciao. Ciao, mi amigos. Ciao. That's so cool. Wow. Oh, look at this. The damn sun just came out. That is crazy. because I was asking.
Draining.
Yeah, I know. I know that the phone died. Or maybe you're draining this, but that's okay. No, what happened was, as you could see when I came in, that the response I got was just crazy. Because my friend said, I just got some money issues going on. And she said that, when she has issues like that, she'll ask the dead in the cemetery to help her. And that's what I did. I said, oh, this is pretty. Oh, let's let me drive it over there to come down my way. Let's see which way they go. This way. Okay. Wait a second. Come on. Alright. So, she said, that. Oh, there's people down that way. Damn it. I wanted to go down by Henry. But I can stay up here. I can talk to my friends in the mausoleum. Oh, is she leaving? Okay. Looks like she's leaving.
Death.
Yeah, unfortunately. Okay. So, she said that if I ask the dead for help, that they will help me. I mean, I asked God, I prayed before I came in here to do that, And she says the dead owes us. So, what do you seeing, baby girl? What do you seeing, baby girl? What you seeing, baby girl? I see my Miley. Yeah. So, I did. I asked the dead to help me. She said, pray this prayer that they were once like me and one day I'll be like them. They pray for me, I pray for you. You pray for me and I'll pray for you. Oh, that's that lady over there.
Chairs.
Chairs. Yeah. Yeah, there's chairs over here, see? Are you sitting at that chair? So, I don't know how much time I got on this phone because the other phone died. I think I gotta erase a lot of these videos. I'm gonna erase the
I'm
ones.
alone here.
Are you? You're alone? What's your name? The last name I got was Edgar. Is it someone else? But anyway, and then like I said, all of a sudden, like the skies opened when I was down by those trees where those wind chimes are. And I know I got a gift. I know I do. I know I got a gift to feel spirit presence and, to hear them clearer. I use the spirit talker, and I know. Can you guys see me? Or that that you can help me see you or hear you? Is that why you're drawn to me? And that's why I come here to talk. I know I wanted to do this other investigation, which is down by Charlotte. For that little girl, Zara Baker. Oh, it just seems like I keep hitting brick walls. But
What is in your hand?
oh, it's a video camera. Where are you standing? I feel you're a woman. Like an older woman. Do you mind me talking to you? I mean no harm. I don't mean no harm to nobody. So none of these devices will harm you in any way. They just help me communicate. And like I said, go to my YouTube channel and put on my experiences. See, I hear the wind again. I hear the wind chimes. Little lady over there, she's putting some flowers.
Francis.
Hi, Francis. Did they call you Franny or Fran? Because I have a cousin named Francis, but he's a man. But I feel you're a female spirit, a woman, an older woman. Are you just checking up on me and make sure I'm okay? That's okay. It's okay to be leery or nervous and wonder who I am. I just felt somebody walking across my car, in front of my car. I felt something. Oh, here comes an SUV. Trying to get my camera down so I look on the DL, you know what I'm saying? Big Chevy Tahoe or something. Lady down there, the storage is running out right now. Well, guys, my storage is running out, so I gotta make this video quick. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some change on some of these headstones. I'm gonna go back around to that. Thought I heard a man's voice.
There.
There? Yeah. I'm gonna go put some change on that young man's headstone. Because I say it's good to bring gifts.
Walk further.
Okay, I'll go further. How far do you want me to go? Before. Spinning those wheels. Can you make them stop? Can you make those pinwheels stop? I know you're trying. Alright. So I just give you guys a glimpse of this wonderful place over here. That's what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some coins on this young man's resting place. Is there a little ledge? Oh yeah, there is. Alright, young man, I'm gonna give you some change. Alright. Let's try this. Okay. Get right here, Mama. Okay.
Hunting.
Yeah, hunting. Alright. Alright, stay. Alright.
Poltergeist.
Poltergeist? No, no poltergeist. Right. Stay, Miley. Okay. All right. We got some change. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Bye. That's so sweet. All right, guys. Oh God, shit. All right, at least I didn't turn it off. Let me put that here. I dropped you. Okay. Knocked myself out of the damn car. Huh? What'd you say? Beard? Oh, okay. You got a beard? Huh. Okay, guys. Well, I am going to cut this short because I am running out of space on my phone. But anyway, give me a like, subscribe, comment, and I'm hoping to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That would be very, very nice. You know, and like I said, as soon as I get it together and get some money going, I am definitely going to do some bigger and better things. Sorry, my hair looks like crap. But anyway, all right. Ciao, Spirit Talkers.